In this video, I want to talk about interesting menu in Photoshop, which is Automate. You can find it in File and Automate. In this video, I want to talk about this option, Crop and Straighten Photos. When you try this option for this image, for example, you will find something strange is happening. You will see this many documents and you ask yourself, what in the world does this option do? Well, let me first close all of them. This option is mainly used for scanned images like this. For example, when you scan some images, you will probably find something like this. So this option is automatically crop the images for you with just one click. Go to File, Automate, and Crop and Straighten Photos. And let the Photoshop do its magic. As you can see here, Photoshop has cropped the images, but of course you have to deal with the orientation. For example, it's pretty easy. Just go to Image Rotation, and rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise.